All right, corner cabinet's in, and just gotta level it out. Well, we decided we'd start working on the countertop actually. So we got some cut to length. They're not put down yet, but it's really coming together. Get that nice shine on there. Beautiful. Pulled up this tile on this window. Of course, it can't just be normal. It has to be some combination of mortar, grout, junk. Now I have to fix that. Dad got more countertop on. And, although this is temporary, a double garbage pull-out.
Garbage. That's good.
Had a few extra minutes, so I thought I'd throw the tile up. Looking good. Trying to get the kitchen wrapped up. Getting some electrical in. And our countertops come tomorrow, so I'm trying to finish it up. The cabinet is in. We have electrical. We have annoying children. This will be some shelving on this side, but on this side will be drawers here and just an open cabinet there with shelving. And this is the little bar-ish area. The last two countertops arrived. It is a different, it's the same IKEA, but they adjusted theirs. So let's hope they match. So the new countertops came, and they actually are pretty close in color, which is great. But there are two major differences. One, the thickness of these planks here are way thicker than these ones. I mean, it's not a huge deal, but the biggest problem we have right now, these countertops are 1 inch thick. These are 1.5 inches, which wasn't listed on the website. So that's no go. Not good. So we went to IKEA and they didn't have anything we needed, but we did find this one desk top. It is the same thickness, it is the same grain, same material, but it was not even close in color, as you can see here. So after a few trials and testing, we've come up with putting a dark stain on it, then putting a cherry stain on it, then oiling it, and we have found a pretty close match. So I'm in the middle of doing that right now. Finally, the counters are in. They are here. We did it. I mean, the match is about as good as it's gonna get. It's drying still from the lacquer. Haven't done a video in forever. Today, putting together a little pull-out for Becca's towel. It's kind of like a towel hanger and a kind of dish soap holder thing. It should be pretty easy. Update. It's been a while. Got the rest of these drawers in. Got some shelving in. More drawers in. Each drawer is a little different. We put tile in. I mean, it's not grouted, but it's there. Look at all that junk. Saturday, so we decided why not paint our bedroom. So we will be experimenting with a color today that's not white or gray. It's almost like a minty. We'll see how that goes on. Well, we're done. We like the paint color. However, you know, once you do something like this, you need new baseboards. So, I guess we got to do that. And it's done. What are you doing today, Becca?
Oh, I'm gonna relacquer the table.
You mean like plane it down, sand it down, and
Oh yeah, all those in between sticks.
fix that horrible unevenness?
Well, get all these sparkles off.
What sparkles?
All these.
Betty. Well, we're gonna build the bunk bed, built-in bunk bed, because this is just kind of boring. After a few hours, I did manage to get the basic frame built and the frame for the stairs. Just enough for the kids can go to sleep. Becca's spending here Saturday, painting the bunk bed we're building.
Yeah.
Becca's still painting. Update video. We have a lot of it done. Stairs are in place. They want to show off their cute little handles that they got. Little doors. Everything's painted. All we have left to do is we have some curtains that go behind this board and up here. And we have, there's a special railing we're buying for the bed, for the built-in. Girls are having fun though. Well, we got the drapes in, and got these little hooks kind of hook around there. Anyways, the girls love it. We also got the railing in. Just had to build that one. But it saves a lot of space in this room, even though the room's always dirty. And they have their little lights. They enjoy it.
I'm really nervous now.
Uh-huh. This is where Becca messes up. Ooh, right down to the gully. Down there.
It's gone.
Perfect.